Welcome, students. It is my pleasure to welcome you to Bon Secours Memorial College of Nursing and congratulate you on being selected out of a very competitive process. We are delighted that you are here. Hello, I am Dr. Christina Perkins, and I serve as the Dean of Academic Affairs. I have served at the college for 20 years, and my background in nursing is in cardiology as a nurse practitioner. My love is nursing education, and at the center of nursing education are students. You are what makes me get out of bed in the morning. I have two favorite times of year: the day that I can welcome you, our new students, and then the day that we get to celebrate the graduation and pinning ceremony of the students who have completed our program. These are great times in the life of nursing education. You know, they say, nothing worth having comes easy. The practice of nursing is rewarding, but it is challenging. The journey through nursing school is also a challenge. Our curriculum is built upon national standards and best practices, as well as the Catholic social teaching and values. The faculty continually review and revise the curriculum to remain current. Our program is a world-class program that will prepare you to provide the best care at the bedside and lead in the boardroom. No, it will not be easy. Yes, it will change your life. I want to share with you my views of nursing using the servant leadership framework of heart, head, hands, and habits. One of the reasons that nursing and nursing education is so challenging is that it requires the individual to engage with their heart, head, and hands simultaneously. So let's start with the heart. At the center of nursing is the heart. Nursing is how we care for others in need, how we care for them when they cannot care for themselves. It is about being part of bringing life into this world and being part of the end of someone's last days on earth. Nursing is being with and caring for individuals in their most vulnerable times. Approaching nursing from the heart, showing up with your whole self to give your whole heart, is what will allow you to live out your God-given purpose in this world. Servant leaders have unique energy that says, I'm here to serve, not to be served. It's who I am. However, giving of yourself is not easy. You will need to put the oxygen mask on yourself before you can give it to others. We teach you how to compassionately care for individuals, communities, and populations, but we will also want you to take care of yourself during the nursing program. Your health and well-being is paramount and essential in order to give care to others. Next, let's explore the concept of the head of a servant leader. Knowledge is powerful, and you are going to learn a lot of new information. However, there is so much more. We are going to enhance your critical thinking skills to prepare you to make clinical judgment decisions. You only see what you know, but being a nurse is more than spitting out knowledge. Nursing is about taking in multiple pieces of data, quickly analyzing that data, then knowing what to do and when to do it. We are going to teach you what you need to know, and we are going to teach you how to think. Let's talk about the next part of the model, the hands. Hands represent your actions and how you act out what is in your heart and in your head. Nursing is an active profession. You will find yourself weaving in and out of the most complex situations. Some demand complex problem solving. Some situations require strenuous physical demands to save someone's life, and others will pull at your heartstrings. The hands pull all of these demands together into your practice. Take this quote from Maya Angelou with you in your journey. I've learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Last in the model are habits. Habits are how you recalibrate on a daily basis to be who you want to be. Life's pressures can get you off track. Find a way to enter your day slowly. Find the practices that reset your mind and body. Some people run, others read and meditate. You may want to have a gratitude journal to help you focus on the positive. Servant leaders have a quiet joy because they are doing good things and constantly reflecting on their purpose and how to ensure they're aligning their life choices with that purpose. I have shared with you my thoughts about nursing and nursing education. You are very important to me. Your success is my priority. We at the college are here to walk beside you in your nursing education journey. This journey will be one of the biggest challenges that you will ever accomplish in your life. It will take courage. Brené Brown says, you can choose courage or you can choose comfort. You cannot choose both. I encourage you to embrace the highs and the lows of this journey. Give yourself grace to make mistakes, to learn and to grow. Have the courage to show up and let yourself be seen. Have the courage to love yourself during the process. Give yourself and your peers grace to be less than perfect. Courage is a heart word. I would encourage you to love hard, to work hard, be brave, celebrate, support one another, and remember, life is not what happens to you, it's how you react to life. Again, we are so glad that you're here, and I'm delighted to welcome our next generation of professional nurses and future Bon Secours graduates to the college. I hope to be able to meet with you in person soon. Thanks, and be well.